This video is brought to you by the Divine Feminine Connection Journal. Tap the link in the description to begin your journey inward today. There you are, right where you belong, with me, with my voice, with that little need, that part of you that's just aching to slip under, to surrender, to become. Let your eyes drift closed now. No need to think. No need to do anything at all, really, except let go. That's right. Just breathe with me. Soft and slow, like a sigh that you didn't know you were holding. Inhale deeply and exhale even slower, letting every muscle in your body begin to loosen, soften, melt. Feel the tension slip from under your shoulders. Let your arms go heavy, limp. Your hands resting wherever they land, relaxed and open, just like your mind is beginning to open too. Now picture this with me. You're standing in a softly lit room. Candlelight flickers gently, casting shadows against the wall. It smells faintly of roses and powdered blush and something sweetly forbidden. And in front of you is the most beautiful vanity mirror you've ever seen. It's delicate, feminine, irresistible. Go ahead and take a step closer. The air is warm, like a lover's breath brushing against your bare skin. Everything around you feels soft, inviting, feminine. And now you see your reflection, but something is different. It's already beginning to shift. You blink, and suddenly your lips are fuller, your lashes longer. Your skin glows with that unmistakable sissy softness. It's you, but prettier, more obedient, more perfect. And as you breathe in again, you feel something inside of you yielding. A door quietly opening, a whisper rising that says, "This is who you were always meant to be." You feel your body responding to the image, your thoughts slowing down, your chest rising and falling with long, submissive sighs. And all the while, my voice wrapping around your mind like a silky ribbon. Let it happen. Let it pull you in. Let go. Deeper now. With every word I speak, your mind quiets. With every breath, your resistance fades. And with every heartbeat, you fall just a little further into that sweet, silky pink fog. Nothing else matters. Not the past, not your name, not the thoughts that used to define you. Only this moment. Only this feeling of being soft, empty, open. Perfectly ready, perfectly primed, perfectly mine. And are you ready to go even deeper, sweetheart? Of course you are. Let's go even deeper now. In your mind, imagine yourself applying a perfect shade of lipstick. Maybe it's candy pink, maybe it's a deep slutty red. Whatever makes you feel most like a good girl. And as you apply it, count down with me. 10, Glide the lipstick over your lips. 9. Let it define your sissy pout. 8. Let it tingle with a promise. 7. Getting softer, deeper, blanker. 6. Lips so kissable, so obedient. 5. Already slipping into sissy space. 4. Brain melting into pink haze. 3. So docile, so eager. 2. Ready to serve. And 1. Mine completely. Every time you do this, you fall deeper. Every time you hear my voice, you'll surrender faster. Now that you're all soft and still, floating in that silky, submissive space, I want you to go even deeper. Deeper into who you truly are. Deeper into the identity that's been aching to awaken inside you. The identity of the perfect sissy. That word, sissy, it rolls off the tongue like a purr, doesn't it? Sweet, soft, surrendered sissy. And yet so powerful when you finally allow it to become your truth. Let yourself imagine now your body transformed into a perfect sissy. Everything a sissy should be. Feminine curves, tight smooth skin, delicate wrists, lips glossed and ready to pout or part for a command. A flirty giggle that bubbles up when you feel good. And you always feel good when you're obedient. Now imagine how you move through the world as the perfect sissy. Graceful, teasing. Each step a soft, deliberate performance of your new purpose. You dress for your role, don't you? Pretty, pink, lacy. A cute skirt that twirls just right, or stockings that hug your thighs and remind you what you really are with every delicious step. Perfect sissies don't hesitate. Perfect sissies obey. They keep their posture lovely, their voice sweet, their mind blank and devoted. They don't argue. They don't question. They perform. You want to perform. You need to perform. Because being a sissy is no longer a fantasy. It is your identity. And not just any sissy. The perfect one. Repeat in your mind, slowly, letting it fill every inch of you. I am the perfect sissy. Say it again. I am the perfect sissy. And again with a dreamy feminine sigh, I am the perfect sissy. Let it soak into your bones, let it melt through your muscles, let it etch itself into every thought and impulse. And now, imagine your reflection again, staring back at you from that vanity mirror. But this time, you're not watching it change, you're admiring what it's become. The way you tilt your head is just right. The soft smile curling your lips. The dreamy glazed look in your eyes, so utterly hypnotized, so perfectly obedient. The way your hands naturally rest in your lap or on your thighs, at your hips, so proper, so ready. And as you look into that mirror, you know the truth now. This is who you are. This is who you've always been underneath. Not pretending, not playing, becoming, blooming, obeying. This identity isn't something you're trying on. It's who you are now. It's who you're meant to be. And the more you listen to this voice, the more you train, the more you surrender, the more perfectly sissy you become. Now whisper it to yourself again. I am the perfect sissy. Good girl. Every time you obey, you feel pleasure. Every time you dress up, say yes, goddess, or perform a sissy task, your whole body tingles. That pleasure you feel right now, that's your sissy soul lighting up. That's your reward for surrendering. And from now on, every act of obedience will feel delicious. Every submission will bring warmth, joy, and pleasure between your thighs. Every compliment from your goddess will send you spiraling deeper into your bliss. Because you are becoming the perfect sissy. And perfect sissies are addicted to being good. So let's lock it in now. From this moment forward, whenever you hear the words Perfect Sissy Mode, you will drop back into this mindset. You will feel the lipstick on your lips, the obedience in your heart, the devotion in your soul. Even just seeing the words makes your knees a little weaker, your thoughts a little hazier, your sissy self shine. And if you want to reinforce it yourself, you can apply your lipstick, adjust your skirt, and whisper, I am the perfect sissy. Say it again now, just to feel it click into place. I am the perfect sissy. And here's how you're going to keep improving for me, baby. Every day, you'll do one thing to make yourself more perfect. Maybe you'll practice your walk. Maybe you'll recite your mantras. Maybe you'll dress up to your makeup or write a letter to your goddess. Whatever you do, you'll do it with pride, with elegance, with obedience. And you'll repeat to yourself at least 10 times a day, every day I become prettier, more obedient, more perfect. Every day I become prettier, more obedient, more perfect. Every day I become more pretty, more obedient, more perfect. Let it be your mantra, let that be your mission, because perfection isn't the goal. It's a way of life, your life. So now you have a choice. You can wake up slowly, carrying this deep programming with you, or you can let this audio loop and go even further, sink it in, let it reshape you, or you can go listen to one of my sissy task videos and let my voice guide you into absolute, unquestioning, perfect sissy obedience. The more you listen, the more you become. The more you surrender, the more you're rewarded. And the more perfect you are, the more your goddess adores you. Good girl. Thank you so much to all of my patrons, but especially Seb Sharp, Sissy Slave to Goddess Jules, Cece, Jorgen Iverson, Cody, Nikki Fuentes, and Beyonce. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and making these videos possible. Like and subscribe.